are our spacers for our glass. So we're gonna put these on.
Just kind of holding it like pressing it in like this.
Yeah. Why the video is jumping like that? Want to zoom in? Looks pretty good.
Pretty good, yeah.
Let's see.
Oh no, it didn't go all the way through.
Oh well.
Just rip it off.
It'll be alright. Let's go over here. Fits good, man.
Okay.
It's perfect. Look how snug that fits.
Huh?
Look how snug. Good job.
Thanks.
Awesome. Now we're gonna glue these down. These strips I ripped down are a little bit narrower, but it's gonna be okay. Life is okay. That piece we got to rip down on the end.
Okay.
So I'm pretty sure we're good. Alright, we got the outside part of the sashes made with the spacers for the glass for this window. Over there, now we're going to make the frame for that one. So I'm going to get this top flush first, Alex.
Alright.
I need to push the bottom around. Like that. I'm going to get it. This pine is affordable, but it's also a little wanky sometimes. Get your finger out of the way.
Oh, that's good.
Looks good, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now, it's got fuzz on it, I can't tell. No staples on the inside. So that is part of the frame for one of the living room windows. Those are both the same. So we're gonna put the trim on next. Okay, Alex, we're gonna put this trim on here. I got my margins marked. See? This is where you have to be careful. Since you're holding it back 3/16, you're almost in the middle of the board already of the jam, so you don't have a lot of room to nail right here. You have to pretend like you're one of those robots in the factory.
Yeah.
Right. Now we can just measure the sides from long to long. Alright, Alex, this one turned out perfect.
Nice.
And our margin looks good. Now we can just nail it without messing it up. I almost feel like I'm going to jinx myself. See how close that is to the edge?
Yeah.
Talking about it. Now let me rotate this right here. I mean, it is out of square a little bit. Alex and I had it squared up a little bit. It's good now. See the joint is good. All right, that's a good looking window frame. Next time we'll make the sashes. Isn't it awesome being able to work in the shop?
Yeah.